Hello everyone. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप? Are you excited? Yes, you all are excited to learn something new. But wait. You have to answer my questions. What all questions I need to ask? That depends on your previous knowledge. Here it goes. Name and identify their taste. What all are these? These are amla, yes. Lemon, yes. Orange, yes. And tamarind, yes. How do they taste? They taste sour in nature. Sour means khatte. Do you know they are categorized under the category of acids? Acids are those which are sour in nature and they turn blue litmus to red. Now moving to the next one. What all are these? These are toothpaste, soap, baking soda, washing soda. They all taste bitter. Yes, you know what do you mean by bitter? Bitter means kadwa. They are categorized under the category of bases. Bases are those substances which turns red litmus to blue. Do you know that we can't taste everything? There are certain chemicals in nature which cannot be tasted. They are very harmful for our health. They can be corrosive. Then you are thinking that how would we test them? Can that they are in the category of acids or in the bases? That must be coming in your mind. Okay, how would we test them? So, we do have certain substances or dyes which help us in checking whether these are acids or bases. So, these are known as indicators. Indicators are the substances which change their color when they are being introduced in acids and bases. Okay, let me ask you one thing. What is this? Yes, it's turmeric. Have you ever seen turmeric? You might have seen in your kitchen, right? Kitchen, you are remembering your mother that she is using this turmeric while making food. But you know that turmeric do have the medicinal property as well. Now you might be thinking that how turmeric can be used as an indicator. Let me show you one activity. With the help of that, you are able to find it out how this turmeric is acting as a natural indicator to test which one is acid and which one is base. So, let's do an activity to prove that turmeric act as a natural indicator which help in identifying whether which solution is acid and which one is base. So here I have one test tube in which I am having a soap solution, while in the other test tube I am having lemon solution. So I am just putting this lemon solution in one test tube and this soap solution in other test tube just to test whether how turmeric is acting as indicator. You can see that I do have two test tube, in one which is having the lemon and in the other I'm having the soap solution. Now this is something turmeric. You may have seen the raw turmeric. Okay, when this is being matured, it get converted into powdered turmeric. So this is a turmeric extract which we have prepared it. Now I'm adding turmeric in soap solution and turmeric in lemon solution. Surprised? You can see that in the soap solution, this turmeric turns into red color, where the acid do have the yellow color. So that means turmeric is changing the color when it is being poured in acids and bases. You may do one interesting activity as well. You can have a filter paper or any kind of paper. You can apply turmeric on it and then you can do so many creative work just to identify as well as to do some artwork as well. So what we are doing, we are taking turmeric solution and we are pouring it on what? A filter paper to make it more attractive. Now I'm adding soap solution. As we know that with the soap solution, it turns into red and you can do creative drawings. Like you can make creative drawings by applying soap solution on a turmeric paper. So it will help you in indication as well as it will be an artwork also. Okay, moving to the next. Oh, you all love flowers, right? Can you see this is an attractive flower which we can see in our garden? Which flower is this? This is China rose. The scientific name is Hibiscus rosa. But you know that it can also be used as an indicator. Again, you are being confused that how it can be used as an indicator. So, we can do one more activity to show that how China rose can be used as an indicator. See that this is China rose. You must have seen in your kitchen garden or in any other garden. This is something very, very attracting. Okay, so how we can make the China rose extract? We can take out the petals and just to boil in water. Then you will be having a China rose extract. This extract can be used to test which solution is acidic and which solution is base. Now we are performing an activity. For that we need two test tubes, one which is having an acid solution and the other which is having a base solution. So here it goes. So this is the test tube where I have taken an acidic solution and this is the test tube where I have taken basic solution. You must be remembering that in our previous activity, we have taken acid as lemon and base as detergent. So while adding what? China rose extract, we can see the change in color. Surprising. This base is showing you a green color. Okay. And with acids, this China rose extract is changing into pink color. Can you see that? These colors are amazing. And with the help of these change in color, by this natural indicator, as in China rose, you are able to detect that which one is acid and which one is base. Okay, do you know that beetroot is also an indicator? You must have seen beetroot in your kitchen because these are the natural indicator which you will find in nature. And beetroot is especially being eaten during the winter season. This is the beetroot which you can use as an indicator to identify which one is an acid and which one is a base. So here kids, you can see that this is beetroot. It is something reddish in color. So how you can make the extract of this beetroot? You can just peel down the beetroot and then boil it in water. Then you may be having the beetroot extract. This beetroot extract is helping us to identify which solution is acid and which one is base. So how we are doing activity? You know it better because last two previous activity we have already done it. So in one test tube I have taken lemon solution and again in the other test tube is the base solution, is basic solution. So we are adding beetroot extract in lemon solution and beetroot extract in soap solution. You can see the change in color. One test tube which is having the base turns into purplish color while the test tube, which is having an acid solution, turns into light pinkish color. So with the help of this common indicator, which is being found in your kitchen as in beetroot, you can identify which one is acid and which one is base. My dear students, today we have studied three natural indicators like China rose, beetroot, hibiscus rosa. These natural indicators are being found in nature so easily. So with the help of these indicators, you can identify which solution is acid and which solution is base. So students, today we have studied about three indicators which are being found in nature naturally. One is the beetroot, second is the turmeric, third one is the China rose. So here, just to test your knowledge, I have framed few questions. Please answer these questions. Question number 1, indicators which are found in nature are known as what? Think of it. What happens when bases react with turmeric? What happens when China rose extract react with acid? I hope you know all the answers. So in our next class, we are doing one more activity to prove that the chemical indicators also help in identifying which one is acid and which one is base. Thank you.